अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम एक सिंपल सा डिश बना रहे हैं, केरला स्टाइल एग रोस्ट। तो ये चपाती के साथ, परोठे के साथ, चावल या फिर रोटी के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा चलता है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। तो बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में बना रही हूँ, बस 3 अंडों का बना रही हूँ। बॉयल एंड कीप द एग्स असाइड, पील एंड कीप द एग्स असाइड। तो एक कढ़ाई लीजिए, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you don't like coconut oil, you can use any other oil as well. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they splutter, then add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute करिए 1 minute के लिए, and then add 1 large onion. You can either chop them or slice them. Also add a few fresh curry leaves. Don't forget to soak the curry leaves in water prior to adding to the kadai. Once the onions start to change color, add an inch piece of chopped ginger and 1 green chilli finely chopped. Along with this, to aid the process of fast frying, add a teaspoon of salt and continue sauteing. Once the onions are nicely done, add 1 tomato chopped and saute till the tomato becomes soft. Now let's add the spice powders. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and quarter teaspoon pepper powder. Mix well. Sprinkle a little water so that the masala doesn't get burnt at the bottom of the pan. Keep the flame on low to medium. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Once the masala is nicely sauteed and done, add the boiled eggs. You can cut them into half lengthwise or just half. Cover them with the masala and leave on very low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Mutta Roast egg roast is now done. Keep it covered till it's time to serve. Don't forget to try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. I've also put the links to the kadai and the ceramic bowl. So please click on the link to purchase the products. Please do try out the recipe and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching.